Welcome to the dazzling world of home entertainment, where larger-than-life images and crystal-clear visuals await. Dive into our guide featuring the best 4K projectors, your ticket to a cinematic experience right in the comfort of your living room. With image sizes that put even the biggest TVs to shame, these projectors will transport you to a realm where every frame pops with detail and every scene unfolds in glorious 4K resolution. Let's embark on this visual journey together. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. LG CineBeam Q, our pick for best budget 4K projector. Ever dreamed of having an ultra-compact 4K projector that's so stylish you'd want it on display 24/7? Enter LG's CineBeam Q. It's not just a projector, it's a chic art piece that'll fancy up any room effortlessly. But wait, there's more. This projector isn't just a pretty face. The CineBeam Q is all about delivering top-notch picture quality with its filmmaker mode, ready to dazzle your eyes with crisp 4K resolution and HDR10 support for that true movie theater experience. Just beware, to rock its full potential, you'll need a dimly lit room. Moving the CineBeam Q around is a breeze with its auto screen adjustment and autofocus, making you feel like a tech genius every time you set it up, or pretend you knew what you were doing. And guess what? Streaming is a piece of cake with LG's WebOS platform, giving you access to all your favorite apps to binge watch. Unfortunately, outdoor movie nights are a no-go with this projector due to its lack of a rechargeable battery. Audio comes in a bit weak sauce from the built-in speaker, but fear not. The CineBeam Q has your back with its dual audio output for Bluetooth devices. Say hello to a symphony of sound with a speaker, headphones, or soundbar. Your choice. So grab your popcorn, your comfiest blanket, and let the CineBeam Q whisk you away to cinematic paradise. Number 4. Optoma UHD35, our pick for best 4K projector for gaming. Let's talk about a projector that's all about gaming without the unnecessary bells and whistles. Enter the Optoma UHD35, a no-frills projector that's here to save you some serious cash. You won't find any smart features or Wi-Fi shenanigans here, just pure gaming focus. This projector may not have all the shiny extras, but it does support 4K at 60 Hz or 1080p at 240 Hz signals at a fraction of the price of its fancier competitors like the BenQ X3000i. While it doesn't quite reach the image quality peaks of the top contenders, it holds its own with decent brightness and stellar contrast that shines in a dark room. But hey, we've got to be honest. Its color performance is a bit on the dull side, especially in HDR. Sure, its out-of-the-box accuracy is alright, but the calibration features are a letdown. If you're a stickler for color perfection, you might want to look elsewhere. However, this projector does come with 2 HDMI ports and a handy USB port for powering your streaming devices, quite the gamer-friendly feature. So while the Optoma UHD35 may not be the most color accurate out there, its gaming prowess and performance make it a solid choice for those looking to level up their gaming experience without breaking the bank. Still searching for the perfect 4K projector? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Epson EpiQVision Ultra LS800, our pick for best 4K projector to watch sports. Feast your eyes and ears on this gem of a projector for all your daytime and nighttime viewing needs. The Epson EpiQVision Ultra LS800 is like the superhero of projectors, defying the odds even when the sun's still shining bright. With a radiant 4,000 lumens that can battle overhead lights and win, it's the MVP for sports, gaming, and everything in between. Equipped with 3 LCD technology and a laser light engine, the LS800 packs a punch. While it may not offer Wi-Fi 6 or an Ethernet port, it compensates with its Android TV platform for seamless streaming, minus the Netflix app, sorry binge watchers. And sure, the colors might not pop as much as a rainbow on steroids, but the overall picture quality is top-notch. That's not all. The LS800 comes with a built-in Yamaha speaker system that will transport you to audio paradise. Thanks to its virtual surround mode, You'll feel like you're in the middle of the action without missing a whisper of dialogue. So if you crave a projector that can light up your room both literally and figuratively, while serenading you with exceptional sound, the Epson EpiQVision Ultra LS 800 is your go-to. Your movie nights, gaming sessions, and everything in between just got a whole lot more epic. Number 2. Samsung The Premier, our pick for best premium 4K projector. Step into the world of home cinema luxury with a dazzling symbol of sophistication, the stylish Premier. Sure, it may tip the scales in terms of cost, but let me tell you, it brings a double dose of magic to the table that sets it apart from the rest. Firstly, crafted with Samsung's Tizen Smart TV interface, it's like having a slice of their renowned TV experience. Streaming, gaming, or diving into the endless depths of content is an absolute breeze. Secondly, and oh so sweetly, its internal sound system beckons you into a realm where the need for an external soundbar fades away into the distant horizon. Decked out in a gleaming white exterior and adorned in a chic gray fabric that hugs its speakers, the Premier isn't just a visual treat, it's an auditory feast too. Radiating at 2700 lumens, this projector's 3-laser light engine effortlessly taps into 106% of the BT 2020 color space. In our journey with Samsung's The Premier, we were swept away by the cinematic spectacle unfurling before us. The sound? Oh, it painted an audio masterpiece like a majestic wall, expanding the horizon of the visuals. This all-in-one wonder doesn't just deliver a stunning picture. It transports you into realms of sound, vision, and smart TV delight that make every penny worth it. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. BenQ X3000i, our pick for best 4K projector overall. Looking for a projector that's as sharp as your wit and as versatile as a Swiss Army knife? Well, the BenQ X3000i is here to answer that call. This projector is not just any ordinary projector. It's a home theater wizard, a gaming guru, and a content streaming maestro all rolled into one sleek package. Just when you thought projectors couldn't get any smarter, along comes the BenQ X3000i with its integrated Android TV 10 QSO1 dongle. It's like having a mini computer in your projector, ready to serve up all your favorite movies, games, and shows with a touch of a button. But wait, there's more! This projector is so color perfect out of the box that even the pickiest perfectionists will be left speechless. And with HDR10 HLG compatibility, it's like having a chameleon for a projector. It can adapt to any situation with ease. And don't get us started on its streaming prowess. With Google Cast support, Wi-Fi Bluetooth 4.2, and a secret HDMI port stash, this projector is a streaming powerhouse. Gamers rejoice! You've got 2 HDMI 2B ports ready to handle all your 4K at 60Hz or 1080p at 240Hz gaming needs. In a nutshell, the BenQ X3000i is the jack of all trades when it comes to projectors. This projector is not just versatile, it's a game changer in the world of pixel-shifting brilliance. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best 4K projectors. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which 4K projector you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.